Ebusia Prophet Emmanuel Wolarsi abedi nkomo na ne nkomodi obedi no efa baby a chairman Wuntumi edane ho na ne nkomodi mu no wo chese chairman Wuntumi ebusuafo ababehu no ofie se ne nkyem mmoa anase bi a akwanche bi wo ho ana empire bi wo ho no ma obetimi amomabo ama chairman Wuntumi situation wo msisi yi etimi aba na we na Prophet edi mu nkomo a kyerem se vote chairman Wuntumi baby o dey die enya dia chairman Wuntumi betimi PTC ya ebusia acquire arahosa mesoni de ma I too much person say so small page me adomanas ma say na me aprobia so onsa ebetima kana fo so no share no say comment section one no me wodi chere wadwe ho no no obia so ha wosifa gi yensem na ebusia ye ko yensem mu no chairman Wuntumi ena ye Ashanti regional chairman amene wukase krapo no all vie for the position of becoming the national chairman and come shape na ba say chairman Wuntumi betima in to become the national chairman for the party, according to Prophet Nigel Gazy, in as much as Prophet Boshe Paso Edikan Edisa and Komowe. Now, Prophet Emmanuel Wolarsi come already and a man kofu aye confused say, is it good so kaye? And I said uni manka wanka because ebusia raho and kofu na se wo difo osanso be kase papa na nya mpie ya na kwaye say one show moon cry and I say bia when to me and show mo de ebusia yen kwene kotie Prophet Emmanuel Wolarsi how would in common is if I
Prof my young share and no asem kese e pa si o man mu
okay
chairman Wuntumi
yeah
se no esi awie yes you uncle them 20 years
na
ebesi okay
na oso
ma young share nyankopon eyi a kirew se 20 years no obetwani ni na ana se ebia endu 20 years no se wahunu bibi saa senator
o se wo hwe video na ma bi jan nchen no kreso
na oso
trimu fita kakra
ta
program
yeah
baby obi amecha no me ba in fact Wuntumi let's start penny frame and ninu no mo frame
okay
and I'm say mo frame
okay
apart from mo no in penny for bebre bi mutu ana mo ba me
Akwade isi say ono ohun say enkofo na contest to become the national chairman of the party o say na chairman Wuntumi na on kan bi kra but ene wedi ni nkomo but ene oboni nkro yenkoni nkoti dia Prophet Emmanuel Wolarsi ewo mai
na me mamba out and me carry bag me catch rum say the beje no but along the line ya be hu ni mobo
okay
ya be hu ni mobo no say e beti ni mfie ni so
from 20 years ago
e beti 20 years that's one man
okay
they obey
okay
18 no sa na de enete
okay
say me ka say me ni mo pa bibia meboa because there are a lot of people omoba me na say because of Wuntumi omo friend me ne kasa because Wuntumi personal aid very close to me
okay
Kumase
okay
18 Andy 18 now I was very concerned about it
okay
but me no me hu ade na me hu say yentimi nya hwe mfa ho a me nkoje uteko ne osimpo eno de obi o hwe ye bia be kasa Wolarsi de o principal person entimi nim say ade no be yese ya na make a chill say betimi ama ya ye bibia afa
okay
no bia omo ba me ho nyina I stated it emphatically say I cannot do anything about it
okay
and I know there is on record
okay
say I told them say I cannot do anything about it and to me the empire want a better energy
okay
I maybe hu ne mobo
eti appeal na lawyers for no so mbeko no eno ebefa
as time goes on no better ni we ni so yimfie ni so but okay. Not enya hibia
okay
20 never say atia be ka figure about
intia atia be 50
you be di me atemu sa social media
but NDC regime media on mefie
there be on mefie
okay
on mefie
all right
fear the on my NDC regime
okay all right anyway yasemu ti chairman nyankopon kan ho
the pipe water
enwani betimi aye ma yenhwe so far senia sisi woye obi a otenyankopo ani na message be na sisi a Awurade woma Ghana Samria kopem 2030 eba no abatuo mu eba no senia nsuo totɔ ye yiri nkrofo eba ni bibia mu a what is going to happen?
Yeah, wo man ya say nyame di for be kasa o mu di for natem na me blame nipa bebre because of nia ebi mu aye, but me pese me share me catch Ghana for nyina ne say irrespective of bibia no, yes, we still have genuine prophet.
Okay.
Aya omo so obi anhwe.
Okay.
Na obi asemo onenum asem ya no omo we. Me kai say early days here me be kan so no asemo Accra ya maybe am hear me prayers. I mean a lot of people were under me and I said it me a program be a friend of prophetic rapture. And I stated it emphatically saying so to afibia about my way. I feel we in so better ama na be sino ebe bro bia, but me san be kan ade I had a exclusively.
Okay. On kan be biada.
On be biada.
All right.
Now, as I say, a bomb pie more my way. Year 2027 ma. March, April, May, June, July, August. They didn't see what my way. I can say fire outbreak.
Hey.
And it is not going to be say a jar. I can say a jar to market. A jar. You will see a whole like community, part of them burning. The jar to mankasa.
Really?
And I am telling you this thing now. Me consistently. So consistently. And the country it is a person me can say fire service for embo on my bus show model 2 on my penny and pay more equipment.
Okay.
And from a prophet Wolarsi,
yeah.
This thing I'm saying next year
2027 from March to August.
Yeah, it is going to be something, and it's not going to be out of the 16 regions. At least 11 regions are going to experience this thing I'm going to talk about.
Hey,
now Papa mono mebo regions ni nyina heading before answer the every round for and I'm say meba answer
of course, and
I will talk about before answer mebo regions now, and it is going to be mind blowing. I bet it's senior AC war Australia no when they ja to her your friend me prophet Wolarsi ade way I'm making say I am sorry I'm on empire
eti
we will see it
ebesi ana ye bribi fa ho a to be
ebesi but empire ebe bodo ebe ma nyoma ade bi wo ha ye betimi abon empire na abra no ase,
yeah,
but for senyankopon ni onya be dey ye hu from abebo for people to know that
really
God still have prophets around.
Really?
Yeah, I have seen it, and the word I mean then is too strong to the extent that it will never fail. It will surely manifest. You there, through mon record on a mon video way, and to make me here video way.
Yeah,
because of for the commentary purposely in next year. Remember,
2027 March to August.
Yeah. One we are best starting from February. Me and Michelle pushing. It show you was supposed to be February, but me and me pushing our March, and you see it. A best starting. Kakabo say a whole community, a part of a community.
When your market same.
There be any market same.
Say be as spenters.
I know they say taste they be a. Don't kind of prophet Wolarsi. Say okay, they taste. Ebu abo broche.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm talking about tomorrow. Say if I say spenters, say. Spinters Bachona Hono Ejato if you be 8, 9 at the same time.
Really?
It is going to be not one region, not two regions. It be total. And it is something a D4 or more Ghana Hano. If truly you are from God, you will see say this is something that is going to happen in 2027.
Wow.
Yeah.
And yeah, Mompire. Ghana for your Mompire now face any I can abide so and share I mean any ame was say ya bo anugu obiano na ye de agu say say you fire service for nsho mo nsho mo sa po
say just omo ma bo so we da say ejuma beba o bi so mo nya ejuma o ye ejuma ache
we de nya ejuma pa we de nya ejuma pa
so we ejuma no etiro
really
yeah course 2027 is not a good year for this nation. And I'm supposedly I just said number 7 there was supposed to be a good number, but I think that there is something wrong.
Okay.
And no more be bro been to me in count na 2027 there are so many things this country is going to face. Na as I say yeah asofo na Christopher nya yes the bomb pie more mine.
Okay.
My count baby in this nation, Angasano, there's going to be in 2027, there's going to be a serious strikes actions. Ebe hate or my
for because strikes
next year is going to be mind blowing, and it's going to affect the economy and stuff.
Okay.
Oh dear, this year about when you experience a strike, next year the first people who hit on grounds. From say Utah say the university teachers,
Utah for
they will hit on the grounds and a best started. And 2, my son cardio baby. The reason why strike can be very intense, any seriousness, there will be a serious corrupt case a fee gold border a my way or my penny ashishen and amount for
Sammy Jemfi gold board.
Sammy Jemfi gold board. The amount for figures now. Banane KB a fan crofobia near mine. A member Ghana for buefu.
Really?
Eti was a workers I ain't sure more kind a particular non buefu. Say the Beko strike. And that is how I dare know. For the first time, I mean, who say people are going to different, if I say, nurse, example, say nurse for any teachers who strike at the same time.
Wow.
It is going to be a very tough year for the government and the president, and it's going to affect this country to the extent that our CDN dollar rate now a bit shoot, and no there it is going to happen.
That is 2027. 2027 and 2027 kromu anya de.
Ebusia when near Prophet Emmanuel Wolarsi Abeka among say he is politically motivated because when the kind action comes say Chairman Wuntumi'S will never become the national chairman according to Nini Swadi Huna or no who's in Sende Chairman Wuntumi'S akowie mu in Soma. That makes him a credible professor near Okayan Abin, but Ebusia everything being equal a big deal say prophet among say Ocean Coma party no Baba out ne on share party ne day. Ne wedding commotion would you know, but as some local way and to sub intino, the prophet who ye, and on the top point in the message say, comment section why you would here, but drink to be a offer information who message of it to I know 1 million animals who have with 5 years, nothing more. So, my page in me, I don't so send me up with Johnson, who sat a bit maker.